Ready?
No, yeah.
Go ahead. Open the door.
Okay.
Oh, it's tough with gloves on. Give me your hand. Give me your hand while we're crossing the street. Where are we at right now?
Go to the park.
Turtle Park.
Yeah.
What are we doing in Turtle Park?
Going to be a turtle.
What's on the turtle?
A dummy.
Someone built a snowman on the turtle.
Yeah. I go to this.
Right there. We'll walk into the woods. Let's go over here.
There's big stuff.
Big steps over there. You want to go see the steps?
Yeah.
Let's go see the steps.
Okay.
Let's go see the steps.
Okay. Let's do that. I see that.
All right, we've made it to the steps.
We made it. Yeah.
We made it to the steps. Now what are we gonna do? Oh, I don't know. They look slippery.
Is they?
Yeah, let Daddy try them out first. Oh yeah, they're a little slippery.
They hold me
Huh?
on it.
You want me to hold you?
Yeah.
You want me to carry you down the steps?
Yeah.
Or hold your hand?
Hold my hand.
Or pick you up?
On my hand.
Okay, let's try it. Take a step. I got your hand.
On my hand.
Yep. Whoa. Whoa.
Whoa.
They're slippery, huh?
They do. That's okay.
That's okay, right?
That.
'Cause Daddy's got you.
Going.
I got you.
Thank you.
Maybe we head back in.
Yeah.
Sound good? All right, what are we gonna go get inside?
Hot chocolate.
Okay. That sounds good.
I like hot chocolate.
How far are you gonna make me carry you here?
Away.
Good job. Okay.
I hit it.